What's up guys, you're watching the Studio, and if you're new in my channel, don't forget to subscribe and like. Today our topic is PlayStation 5 Hour CE-100006-7. The external storage drive cannot be recognized. So you're having a problem with the external SSD with the PlayStation 5. I'm just going to share my screen on the left side, and here we are at the screen. And look at that. Here we go to the settings. Here is the settings and then storage. Here you have a system storage and USB extender storage. So for using a USB drive, formatted USB extender storage, you must format it first when you connect with the PlayStation 5. And PlayStation 5 or Sony will install some file for after format. Then your USB will be recognized with the PlayStation 5, or your PlayStation 5 recognize your SSD because they installed some file in it. So and in the last, you just turn off your PlayStation 5 and go to save mode. There's a rebuild database. You simply rebuild the database. After rebuilding, database corrupted file will be deleted, and you're having a sometime problem with external storage, it will be work. So but when you just try to format with the laptop and connect with the PlayStation 4 or 5, it will not gonna work. So you must format in the PlayStation 5, and after that you just connect it, it will be work. So and you must use a 3.0 or up to 3.0 update SSD. So simply that's how you can do it. And if you want to ask me a question, then leave a comment in the comment box, and catch you later.